have been waiting for this for so long. And I am so excited to unbox this with you. So let's dive in. I had an Apple Watch years ago and it stopped charging. And I didn't have insurance. So basically there was nothing that Apple could do. And I've been missing it ever since. But I was like, I'm never buying an Apple Watch ever again because it just stopped working like that. Like, why would I want to buy another one when it's going to just stop working on me? But I finally decided to get another one. Because your girl is back in her healthy girl era, her gym girl era, and I like to track my steps, track my workouts, things like that. And I just feel like the phone don't necessarily pick up everything, but when you have that watch on, baby, it's very accurate. So I'm super excited to dive into this. I'm super excited to open this and start wearing my Apple Watch. As always, Apple's packaging is sleek and minimalist. It's literally just a simple box with the embossed Apple Watch logo. This is the brand new Apple Watch 10 series in the stunning 42mm jet black aluminum with the ink sport loop. Okay, get into it. Let's get this open. This is the Ink Sport Loop, Apple's lightweight breathable band. It has a nice soft texture and a super easy hook and loop fastener. It's literally a perfect fit, and because it's so adjustable, it's great for workouts and everyday wear. So underneath we have the usual accessories, a magnetic fast charging puck, Look at that jet black aluminum finish. It's super clean and modern, and I love it. The design feels slightly refined from the previous model that I had, but we're not going to get into all that. And of course, this display. Apple claims it's the brightest one yet. All right, let's power this baby on. The Apple logo appears and we're about to set it up. Right away, the always on display looks super crisp. There's new watch faces, enhanced health tracking, and Apple's latest AI-driven fitness insights. I can't wait to test these out. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. The Apple Watch 10 series in jet black aluminum with the Ink Sport Loop is looking amazing so far. Let me know in the comments if you're upgrading to the Apple Watch 10, or if you already have an Apple Watch, or if you want an Apple Watch, and what are the features that you are most excited about. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Sending you nothing but love, happiness, joy, peace, abundance, prosperity, wealth, all the good things.